Thank you so much for joining this channel. We are in a day 6. In day 6, we are discussing the Repo-Wide review and optimization. That means we have taken one full-fledged solution, just like we generally work in the at the MNC company level. So Repo means we are keeping in the TFS or JIT, and we will review the each file, okay, and optimization. So engineering agent revolution. So if you are in day 6 but haven't visited day 0 to day 5, please visit that. Day 0 will help you to set up the agentic AI solution at local so that you work on it. Day 1 is, and day 2, day 3, day 4, all actually helping you to understand exactly the purpose. You can see, so these are the playlist, okay, where you will get day 1 to day 5. Day 1 is basically we have made a code understanding agent. Day 2 we made a code review agent. Then we introduce the memory in the day 3. Day 4 we have used rule based agentic AI along with the LLM decisions, and day 5 is full-fledged CI/CD. Please visit on that and then come to the day 6. So in day 6, it is the enterprise level. Why Repo-Wide? Now what we have done in the earlier days, we have actually creating the pull request, and from pull requests we are sending that for reviews, right? Now we are taking each file one by one, and that will give you, okay, what are the issues are there, severity level, and so to the health of the each file, so that the developer get a complete idea how the repo is working. So single file review is limited, that we have done in the day 1 to day 5. That is a sample we have shown. But in a project there are so many files. We have to review one by one. So we need a logic which will scan the entire repo and give a proper report on each and individual at the file level, how the file is, what is the severity level, what are the issues are there, and what is the health of the file. Just like we check the project health, we are checking the health of the each file by using this agentic AI. The architectural issues span multiple files, then we need to check. Need repository level governance, required enterprise CI/CD. CI/CD already introduced on the day 5, pipeline behavior. So what we are doing in the repository, we have a proper for solution folder, each file getting scanned. Then our review agent nothing but, as you know, that our .NET app talk to the LLM. Here we are using the local LLM Ollama through semantic kernel. Semantic kernel is the mediator between our .NET app and uh, the LLM. So semantic kernel actually playing this role, and this language is C sharp, and it will run through these files, send the information, file information with the system prompt to the LLM, and come back with the aggregated issues, and finally it will display the score of the entire project of all the files. So you know it is in totality, it is taking your entire project, and that will be done by this agentic AI. That is name is, that is day 6 we have given, and it is connecting this Ollama through semantic kernel. And the summary report will be help the developer to understand the entire health of the project. So in the day 4, as I already mentioned, we have LLM is definitely giving this the review comments, but also we have introduced our customized rule engine, so that combined issues we can collect and send it for fixation by this developer team. Day 5, we have introduced CI/CD concept in the pipeline variable proper, that we generally follow in any multinational company or in a professional projects. Day 6, we are now not taking any difference of file or of any PR file. We are scanning each and every file that has been written, and that will be monitored or run by the agentic AI and find all the issues and give you a proper health score. So high, medium, whenever any issues comes up or any clarity required, so we are giving it just a point medium, so that you can collect, create the score based on this formula. This is the formula being taken. What is the enterprise impact? Architectural governance. When you show the code with the project structure, you will understand what is architectural governance. Code quality trend tracking. Definitely we are actually coming up with the health score, right? So code quality also tracked properly with the report. CI/CD have enforced. Executive dashboard, because report you can show in any dashboard. And now we are doing with the one repo, we can do it for the multi-repo monitoring. So this is the overall plan to demo you in the day 6. So let's go to the PDF, how we are going to execute the solution with the architectural details, and then we will come up with the final demo. The recursive repository will be scanned because in one of the repository there will be multiple files, file level aggregation, then at the file level, folder level, severity, and overall health index will be calculated. The report will help us to take further decision about the repo. Technical flow, as I said, that it will scan the entire folder recursively, find all the .cs or .vb. So now it is a C sharp, it is a VB dot, it is a VB. Pass each file to the review agent. Review agent is nothing but our LLM, okay, which is we were connecting through semantic kernel. Collect all the review result and we'll aggregate it. This formula we already shown how we are calculating the health. We have given certain weightage for different issues with the complexity level. Benefit, architecture level risk detection, because you are doing now at enterprise level, at the application solution level, repo level, CI getting. You can actually put a test automation kind of thing. If this health score is some below 80%, we will not allow the CI to be executed. So that gate you can allow placed on that. Quality metrics, the health will definitely help the quality because severity or everything get checked. The reporting readiness, we can always ready at every margin occurs in the repo what exactly the health of the entire project. And this definitely either we can power, you can Power BI or Tableau for this for visualization, even the Azure DevOps also, so that the defect creation would be easy based on the reports. This architecture already discussed. This is the flow. Day 5, as I mentioned, we introduced the CI/CD. Now it is at the repository level, not a single file or any specific folder, entire project. So we have taken the same solution architecture which I have used in the day 5. Only difference is that time we are using a diff file, only a PR based on a single file, but now we are taking files which will be reviewed. So this is overall structure. If you gone through the day 5, you will understand what exactly this is. Nothing but connecting the LLM Ollama through the semantic kernel. We are using the review repo engine, right? Then we have to calculate this health model. What are the things we are collecting? Severity, priority, health, and the program. Same thing we have discussed over here. So functionally we are achieving what? Functionally the same scanning repository run in parallel with control, health score checking, and architecture level. Now we can do parallel execution also, right? That we have implemented thread safe, because there are so many files you cannot go one by one, and clean folder structure. So let's come to the solution. Hope this is visible to you. This is day 6, as I mentioned in the PDF. This is our review agent. Let me close all the files. It's almost same like a day. A few of the files code are almost repetitive. If you go with the day 0 and day 1 to day 5, how to connect to the semantic kernel to LLM, all code are almost same. There is no difference. See, we are connecting the Ollama. How to check Ollama is running or not, that already discussed in the other previous days. How we are analyzing, we are giving a system prompt. We are looking for this responses from the Ollama LLM, title, description, severity. We are getting the result from the Ollama, and finally it is returning the data. So what we have done, this is sample. Say for example, this is our entire agent. Say for example, this is actually our project. You know, now later on we will show as a different assembly, but now we say for example, we have two files, right? So now you can see there are two files. Assuming these are our Repo project. One is order service and as a bad we have taken. One is good. So these two files will be scanned by this day 6 agent, which will collect the information from this order service.bad.cs and order service.good.cs, pass the information to Ollama through semantic kernel, and it will return the review result in the format of this, the prompt which has been given. So let's see how it runs and work. So now initially it will go to the repo review agent. Now it will start samples. Samples means which contain these bad or good files. It will collect all the files. See, There are two files been collected, bad and good. We already created the agent using semantic kernel, so it will go to the analysis where the file will be read along with the prompt we are sending to the Ollama through the semantic kernel. Here actually we are sending the data to the LLM, to the brain. Now it will come back. See, it is showing analyzing this file. Analysis has been done by Ollama. Once this order service.bad is done, then it will move to the order service.good.cs, another file. And then we will see the final output with the health score. It takes time to get the information. Some information came. Now we will run the entire project. Same thing for another file, good.cs. So in your project there are so many files, right? The entire repo will be scanned by the agentic AI. So agentic AI will be a different solution which will connect to your particular repo and scan it. That will be done in advanced level by the two separate project. So you can see the health score is 90%, total issues to high 0, medium to low 0. We haven't done what exactly the issue that was done in the previous days, but at least you understood. If you want to work on an enterprise level, go by the repos. There are so many files. At least you will get a glimpse that what is the health score, the situation, the type of issues. And if you want to know the issues, definitely we can do some additional coding and print the issues also. We haven't printed over here, but we can print the issues so that that can be converted to the defect and given to the developer for fixing it. So hope you understand the purpose of the day 6 at enterprise level, how to do the code reviews, how to get the health score, how to find out the issues quickly and can be fixed by the developer without wasting time at the lower environment. Thank you. Ready. Next we will come with the day 7. Thank you so much.